Hi students, this is my 8th video in the series of how to find error in the sentence. Let's start it. We are now on question number 36, and this is: our state will not be divided into two parts at any cost. In this sentence there is no error. This is error free, so your answer would be this one, D, no error. Let's move on to next one, 37th number question. I hope that my team and I would be successful in our efforts of serving you better in 2000. So if you read the later part of this sentence from here, I would be successful in our efforts of serving you better in 2000. It seems that something is being talked about, the past event. So when you talk about past event, your verb should be in the past tense. But when you read this one, you find that hope is being used as a verb in the sentence, but it has simple present tense. It is in the form of simple present tense, which is incorrect. So it should be in past tense and should be replaced by verb second form, which is hoped, and this sentence can be reframed as: I hoped that my team and I would be successful in our efforts of serving you better in 2000. Your answer is A, and the explanation is written here. After reading later part of the sentence, it seems that this sentence is about some past event which took place in 2000. So use of verb hope in the in simple present tense is incorrect. It should be replaced with simple past tense, which is hoped. Your answer is A. Now question number 38. I do like collecting stamps, but it is not done often. There is no error in this sentence. The purpose of putting this kind of sentence in this video is to make you aware that this kind of question also comes in the examination. So you should be able to find out that if there is no error exists in the sentence, then you do not need to attempt, or you do not need to find out some kind of error in that. In this sentence there is no error, so your answer is D. Now moving on to question number 39. We want to see Jurassic Park, but very difficult to get tickets. This kind of sentence is very much acceptable in day-to-day conversation, but it is not literate English. This is not accepted in formal English writing or speaking, because here the use of but is determining how the sentence will move forward. But is being used as a conjunction here, and you know that conjunction joins similar part of the sentence. You can see before but there is a subject, there is a verb, and then other part of the sentence. But here you don't see subject and verb, so you should put a subject and verb, then this sentence will be complete and correct. So after verb it should be written as: it is very difficult to get tickets, and you can reframe the sentence as: we want to see Jurassic Park, but it is very difficult to get tickets. Explanation is here. In above sentence, but is a conjunction which should join two similar parts of sentence. So the clause after but should be written as it is very difficult. Now your answer is B. This one is the 40 number question, which is the last one in this video. Krishnan is more intelligent than any student of his class. At prima facie, this sentence looks good, but when you look deep into it, you'll find there is something is missing in this. After any, there is one more word is required, that is other, and you can add it here and reframe the sentence as Krishnan is more intelligent than any other student of his class. This is how it should be written. Your answer is C, because in this part there was an error, and your explanation is given here. Krishnan intelligence is being compared with his class students. Part C of the sentence should be written as any other student. So your answer is C. I hope you liked this video and it was informative for you. You learned something. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.